gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this. I just bought the InWin 805 Infinity case for my upgrade. Can you believe it? And you know what we got the pleasure of doing? We're gonna open it up right in front of you guys. What's so cool about this case is it's not just a boring old tempered glass on the front. Nah, I'll show you guys what it does. I'm gonna leave you guys in a little cliffhanger there. I have been waiting all day to open this sucker up. Open this pupper up. I've been waiting all day. Like, just look at how they packaged everything, dude. Look at that. Where's my little thing? Look how they packaged everything. It's so amazing. Alright. Ready, guys? Oh, wait, it's gonna go like that. Oh. Well, essentials. Also, gotta thank you guys, InWin. Gotta thank you guys for actually talking to me through the whole entire shipment process. Gotta give you guys a big shout out for that because without you guys are awesome. Keeping me up to date even before my tracking number actually came through to my email. You guys are awesome. So anyway, let's take a look at this thing. Mine didn't come in cloth. Mine came in. Remember how my old case came in? Like just box, right? That's it. Have a look at this, guys. All aluminum. Oh gosh, aluminum. Look at all this. Give you nice fans. But this puppy right here. Once I turn this thing on, once I set this up, and I will do a build log of me building it. Once we turn this on, that's gonna really make it look good. Anyway. Here. So first thing about this thing is you've got, as you can see, you've got glass on the front and you've got glass on the back, and you've also got the glass on the side. The other thing is that since you've got glass on both sides, you can't easily, how do you say, just toss, you know how when you build a computer and you've got the metal plate, you can't just toss all the cables in the back and make it look like garbage. You actually have to make it look nice, so before I got back from work, I bought these, so I'm going to use these. What's this? Forgive me. So you've got an RGB plugs over here, that's nice. I do have a bunch of RGB Corsair fans I'm going to plug into this thing. They also do give me an LED strip, that's nice. I can probably run that kind of along here from the bottom to the top. They give me an instruction manual, which it just talks about how you plug things in. It's pretty much easy to figure out. Bro, they got me. They even give me, guys. You guys even give me a zip tie. You guys love me. Anyway, oh, they give me much more zip ties in here on this side. Hello. I like this case. I really do like this case. InWin even gives you a cloth so you can keep the case clean and the glass from being, because it's glass, it's gonna be a finger magnet. It's probably already showing. But this guy, microfiber, just what else is in here? A lot of goodies. They even give me these cool, I like these a lot. So what these are is, let's say you, yeah. So you can, they're double-sided tape, so you put it like on the back somewhere, and you're basically able to put your cables through that, and then it just clips in. That's pretty cool, guys. There's a bunch of other mounting devices for your motherboard. I'm sure they've got mounting screws in here, or some kind of mounting extra stuff, rubber grommets. You do have mounting screws and mounting, yeah. And even for, yeah, so mounting for that, 4 of them. You got screws, and you've got for fans as well. Sweet. So that's nice. That's all nice and good. So, what else do I want to show off about this case before I show it to you guys fully built? Because, oh, one thing to mention, it is ROG certified. Just tell me to move. It's ROG certified, meaning that you can, if you got the ROG app, which I'm not gonna get right now because I do not have my Core i9 to put into my new motherboard. But basically, what ROG, what that means is that you can sync up this whole entire case with the rest of your system. So let's say you've got a Asus motherboard and Asus peripherals. All of that is synced up with this case. Awesome. What else here? So, just, we've got basically a bunch of stickers on here, basically telling me, hey, it's tempered glass, don't play with it. I'm not going to be able to take these off, actually. There we are. And then, this one down here. Alright. What? I don't know. So, boom. Wow, thumb screws, they're not... Alright. Watch me just like break this right now. Just watch. I'm sorry, InWin. I'm gonna be so mad. Actually, I'm gonna be so sad. What's this here? I'm gonna be so sad if I break this. I want to show you guys the inside of it. Because I've heard a lot of people say that you cannot fit a 2-fan radiator in here, which that is completely false. Stuck to the tape. Okay, I don't know how to take this off. Huh? Move my phone. So, horrible lighting. So that tape goes all the way. Okay. Can we get the lighting in here? So they also gave you sleeve cables. You guys are awesome. You think of everything. So they give you sleeve cables. They give you a bunch of plugs. Here are your regular motherboard headers. Right here is where you can put your radiator. I've also seen people put it down here. And what's nice is you have a removable drive cage right here. I might not even have to take out my drive cage, because I do have one hard drive. They also give you a bunch of slots for SSDs, and another thing that you can do is, let's say you got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3 or more SSDs, you can cover up some of the cables. So yeah. Alright, now, let's get a computer built in here, and then let's, show it off in its final glory. Because this thing, as amazing as it is, without anything built in it, it's a masterpiece. But let's build a system in it, see how it shines. Because I'm kind of excited. I want to really show you guys what this looks like. I've already got fingers on there. What this looks like. This is why the case is called 805 Infinity, not just 805. This is cool up here as well. They give you 2 USB 2, a USB 3 and a USB-C with one is a headphone, one is a microphone. I think it's labeled. I am just dumb. Or no, it's not labeled. They're not labeled, but I should actually probably label that. Probably in the top, with a little like groove of what it is. I'm sure one is. I'm pretty sure it's headphone, microphone. I think that's how it's always been. Headphone, microphone. You got your hard drive LED lights, and then you got your. That's a nice button. That is a nice button. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you guys as I was kind of looking at this case before I even started building. These are hot swap. Well, they're not hot swap, but they come out like that. That's pretty cool. So basically, there you go. So you pull it up, and then your hard drive comes out, and then you put it in, and boom, and then you just plug in and out from the back. So it's all hidden. It's pretty cool. I found that cool. All right, so obviously I built a machine inside of this thing. As you can see, it's glowing. It's working. I have yet to set it up to be booted onto my desktop, but it's working. Another nice thing about this case is I did notice that underneath here is a magnetic dust filter, which is very nice of InWin to provide, assuming you take out the drive cage and you use it, but it's so nice to keep dust from inside the computer because I had to deal with that. The thing that makes this case $250 to $270 is probably the coolest thing about it is this. This is why I bought the case. It is like the coolest thing ever. It doesn't, like, it's so cool I can't even explain on camera or show it on camera how cool it is, but like, you look down the infinity and it's like, it's just an infinite tunnel of lights. It's really cool how they did that, and I really do like it. So InWin, you guys did an excellent job making this case. I really do enjoy it. I can't wait to game on it. Sorry about the scratchy throw, I think I'm coming down with something. But I can't wait to game on this thing. Cable management was a little bit tough. Not much room at all in the back. I do like the flushness, but just not much room in back there. I did manage though, and it does look really cool. I did do a build log on this guy. It is a little lengthy, but I did do a build log on this guy explaining how I built my computer inside of this thing, and I kind of showed people off. I showed it off, kind of things like that. But honestly, I can't wait to set this up into the computer and start playing. This was not sponsored by InWin, by the way. I should have mentioned that earlier. This was not sponsored by InWin. I just really decided I wanted to do a video on their case, and they did say that they would be honored if I did. So here's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. InWin, special thanks to you guys for delivering as you promised. I can't wait to play with this thing. Honestly, it looks really cool, and I have my eyes on that WinBot. I did see that thing. That thing is also pretty dope, where you can like hover your hand at it and it like does stuff. I saw that at Computex and CES, I don't remember which one. I never went traveling out there, I just saw people talking about it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. This is Alex signing off.